Hi guys, this is Rena with nonbiasedreviews.com. Today we are going to unbox something very special coming from Leesa. It's not their mattress or their pillow, it is their mattress foundation. I cannot wait to put it together. I'm going to do this all by myself and I will show you step by step how to do it. It's supposed to be an easy to assemble foundation. It's really something exciting to do tonight. I have opened up the box and I see something really beautiful. It's not a whole bunch of wood. I was really worried about that or slats or whatever. It's something really nice. We are going to go through the pieces step by step and put that foundation together and see what happens. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so this is something really super awesome and cool. The slats or the pieces of wood that are supposed to go in the middle to support your Leesa mattress or your Sapira. They are inside the fabric already, so this is something I am very happy about. This I was worried about putting them one by one, so individually. So this is really cool. They're so beautiful and nice. They're so well designed. These are the two, the upper and lower sides of the foundation. This piece is supposed to come in the middle. I'll show you later on. It's supposed to be interlocked like that. Later on when we build the whole thing together. And those are the pegs you're looking for. You will find them there. It's like a pre-made, if you want, sample model on how to build it later on, how to put it together. That's really cool. One of the important things that I have noticed and you guys need to take care of or be careful is that this is the right side up. There's a reason why there's like this 1/2 inch of wood sticking out on the inner side, and it's for the slats and of course the mattress to sit on. So make sure that this is the right side up when we are putting this is the side rail, by the way. In a queen or bigger sized foundation, you will be able to find this piece of wood that's going to be sitting in the middle of your foundation. If you've been watching my movies, I have mentioned many times how much I love all kind of products that make my life simple, easy, and practical. This is without a doubt one of them. The Leesa foundation. I just put it together. I am not tired, absolutely not. Usually I'm like breathing heavy when I'm unrolling or unboxing a mattress. Can you believe that? When I unbox a mattress, I'm a little tired, but I just put a whole foundation together all by myself, and it seriously was the easiest job on earth. So if I can do it, you can definitely do it. It's beautiful, it's perfect, it's just so nice, it's so appealing, and it's well designed. It does look sturdy. It will hold my Leesa mattress that I will be unboxing, and I'm going to put it on this foundation just to show you how it's going to look like, and it's going to match perfectly the mattress. So let's put that mattress here. I was able to put the Leesa foundation together in about 1/2 hour. It probably would have taken me 20 minutes or less if I have figured out one slight, not a problem, but something that you need to pay attention to, the interlocking corners. So one of them I have messed up the position, so they need to be perfectly aligned, of course, not like that, like this. So they can form this perfect circle where the peg sits. So this is something you need to pay attention. I know I should put a mattress on it, the Leesa mattress, and I'm going to walk on it just to show you how sturdy the slats are. You're not supposed to do this at home, just in case, you know, there's risk of breaking them, but sturdy so far. Let's not jump on them. Okay, let's unbox this Leesa mattress. Put it on the foundation. I can't wait. I'm very excited because they also match. This is amazing. This is like for perfectionists. You need to get the whole set, seriously. Because you're about to find out why I insist you guys should do this. The definition of beautiful, comfortable, and simple design. This is very appealing. This is just the perfect match, right? Leesa foundation, the Leesa mattress, and it matches perfectly with, of course, the Leesa blanket. I'm super excited. Once I'm done with this movie, I'm taking a nap right away because seriously, this is just perfect. And what's in the box? Of course, the one and only Leesa pillow. Alright. Leesa, again, gives back. So, we purchase the pillow. Leesa always gives back to the community. Every purchase of pillow or mattress. So keep that in mind. Check this out, guys. Is this perfect or what? Okay, so no need to search or look around for the perfect match. Something to match your bed, your mattress, your cover. This is the one-stop shop. I know it's cliche to say that, but that's exactly what you can find at only one stop at the Leesa website. You got the pillow, we have the blanket, and the mattress. I mean, honestly, maybe we shouldn't, but I wouldn't even put a cover on that mattress. It's just perfect. It's like everything together in one mattress. So the foundation matches perfect. The mattress is one of the most comfortable mattresses I have tried as a side sleeper. We've got the blanket that has a little way in it that helps me fall asleep so quick and calmly. Like, I cannot walk around this house seriously without the blanket, whether it's hot or warm or cold or whatever. This is my to-go blanket. And then, of course, we're not going to forget about the most comfortable pillow for your neck. So on the side of the Leesa pillow, I don't want to mess it, but just to give you an idea of that comfortable feel you will get from the pillow. You will wake up pain-free. It's one of the best sleeps I have ever had, and you will too. So, easy. All you have to do is go to our website, use the link that will take you to purchase all the Leesa products. Everything in one stop. You don't have to look around anymore. That's it. Life simple, easy, and comfortable without forgetting a lot of support at the same time. This is seriously one of the best foundations ever. And I put it together. Can you believe it?